Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Suzuki Boulevard M50 V-Twin 805 cc's fuel injected liquid cooled shaft drive power cruiser. It's got the upside down forks, beautiful satin black finish, really cool, sleek power cruiser, 805 cc. Come by, check it out. This bike's only $44.99. Beautiful condition. Low miles, just 11,840 miles. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, it's got some really badass sounding Cobra pipes.